Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change coolant Subaru Legacy. Easy method. Park on level ground, let the engine cool fully, gather 2 gallons of pre-mixed coolant, a drain pan, a funnel, and basic hand tools, and wear gloves. I will guide you through draining the radiator, flushing the system, refilling with fresh coolant, and bleeding air pockets to restore proper cooling performance and avoid overheating. Start by locating the radiator drain plug and placing a drain pan underneath to catch the old coolant. Loosen the drain plug and allow all fluid to flow out, then close the plug and fill with distilled water to flush remaining residue. Run the engine briefly with the heater on to circulate, then drain again until the fluid runs clear and free of contaminants before proceeding to refill with fresh coolant. Refill the radiator carefully with the recommended Subaru coolant and observe the correct 50/50 mix if required, pouring slowly to avoid air pockets. Start the engine with the heater on high to allow the thermostat to open and help bleed trapped air. Watch the coolant level and top up as bubbles escape. Once stable and no air is present, secure the radiator cap, check for leaks, and verify levels after a brief.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.